Are you tired of your scones coming out hard and dry? So hard you would think that you are chewing on a brick. Well, me too. And I'm on a mission to finding the perfect scone recipe for a baking business. And today we're testing Ino Manchili's tender scone recipe. In case you were wondering, the link to her video is on my description. You can go check it out. All the ingredients used are on the description below. Now, let us begin. Let's head over to the dry ingredients. Note that all ingredients will be listed on the screen together with their measurements. You can adjust the sugar to your liking, and your baking margarine should be at room temperature. And this is the process she calls tedious. Rub the ingredients together until you get a crumbly texture. Please do not be impatient. Now let us head over to the wet ingredients. Use a separate bowl. I cannot wait for our distinguished ingredient, the mayonnaise. Surely these scones are going to be tangy. Can't wait. Please use a whisk if you have one. I still don't have one. Next will be the coming together of the wet and the dry ingredients. Please note that this is the part that most people get wrong. You have to be gentle when handling your dough. There is no exception to it. Add your wet mixture gradually. This gives you control of the texture of your dough. At this point, you must preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Love your oven. Be one with your oven. Study and learn your oven. From the bowl to the baking tray and then egg wash, no cutting involved. Into the oven they go. Next thing you know, we are ready to indulge. And out they come. Please know your oven. Study your oven. Be one with your oven. Because your oven is also a deciding factor. And if you do not know it, your scones won't thank you. Look at that. The inside is soft. The outside is crumbly, golden, delicious. Not to mention, they smell so good. It is the day after. I've kept my scones in an airtight container. They smell amazing. They look divine. I've tasted my scones and I will be reviewing the taste, texture and ease for beginners. The taste. I would adjust the sugar to 3/4 of a cup. Use only 1 egg and remove the mayonnaise. I don't really like it in my scones. The texture. The scones are crumbly on the outside and soft on the inside. It is just the right texture. Ease for beginner. On a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being easy and 5 being difficult, I would give this recipe a 2. It is fairly easy to follow and the ingredients are manageable. There is no science to it. It is the mixing of the dough that could throw a lot of people off. I mean, who has time to massage the dough? Ain't nobody got time for that. But unfortunately, it has to be done. And it has to be done correctly. Would I bake this again? I would. I love the part where she doesn't cut the dough. So lazy, but efficient. If you enjoyed this video, do like, subscribe, and comment which scone recipe I should try next. Until then, toodles!